Does anyone out there remember Schafer Baloney? Well, this is my favorite bologna in the world. Let me tell you a little bit about it. Schafer got its start with a German butcher on Southside Easton in 1847. Now, I came from Southside Easton, but way after 1847. And my grandfather used to buy this. It would come in ring bologna, and they used to call them footballs, like a roast. It was like a size of a football in shape, and it was so delicious. After their start in Southside Easton, they later moved to Palmer Township, Easton, PA. But unfortunately, there was a fire which destroyed the plant, and it was a terrible thing that burned down, but what a delicious smelling fire that was. Nobody got hurt. And in 2004, then they sold the recipe. They went out of business and sold the recipe to Alderfer, a company. Now, I don't know if this is in your area. That would be nice if it was. It's from Harleysville, PA now. Originally from Easton, the Schafer. See, this is Schafer's original formula. It's so delicious. 100% pure beef, smoked. This is a pound. This was about $7 or $8. Well worth it. I'm gonna make myself a sandwich how I like it, and I'm gonna show you. Okay. Cut the end off. We ain't gonna waste that. These came in ring bologna, like I said, and you can cut them up in cubes for snacks, snack trays and whatnot. Slice them like I'm gonna slice them for my sandwich. They have a casing on, which I cut like that, and I cut like this because I don't really want the casing. Peel that back. Peel back as much as you want. See? Just peel the casing off. This is so good. Cut it as thick as you like. I like it like this. It's so good. Smoky, peppery. There's pepper in there. See? I'm gonna eat that in too. One bite. Smoky and delicious. This is how I like it for lunch or breakfast, which happens to be 8 a.m. I don't mind. I put down some mayo with my little spurtle because I like it. You all like it? Put your thin slices around there. Casing's removed. Stack them up. Sometimes I would put cheese on there. Today I'm not going to. I'll put some mustard on. Whatever kind you prefer. And then I'll put some pickles on once in a while. Gives it a little nice crunchy kick, which is always good. Go on, bite of this now, don't you? That's it. Schafer Baloney. Oh. You like it yet? I normally don't cut it, but I'm going to cut it today for you. Why, I don't know. I usually just eat it. Oh, look at this. See? My favorite bologna sandwich ever. Take a bite. So if you're a bologna lover, maybe you're lucky enough to find that in your store. I remember seeing the trucks driving around too. They were red Chevy vans, and on the back it said, "I'm full of bologna." And they were. If some of you are from this area, you remember it. And you probably like it too. Okay, check that in your store. They're Alderfer now. Such a good recipe, they had to buy it. Whoa-wee! Natural wood smoked meats. Love it. I'm going to enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more good stuff. Please subscribe. Have a great day.